home. Have you ever wondered how people make money online just with their mobile phones and laptops without leaving their home? So in this video, I'm going to show you at least 2 things you will start doing to start making money online, even as a complete beginner. This method I'm going to show you requires little or no money to start with, just with your mobile phone and your internet. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, this channel is all about making money online, YouTube growth and monetization, and tips to carry out our daily tasks. If this sounds like what you're interested in, consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on our future videos. So let's get started. The first online job that can give you at least $15 to $20 per hour is called medical service personnel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to become a medical customer service personnel, the skills you need, where you can learn them for free, and the website to apply for this job. Like I said, you don't need to be a professional medical personnel to do this type of job. All you need is basic training and good communication skills. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to your browser and search for allison.com. On allison.com, just go ahead and search for medical terminology. This course usually takes hours or some few days to complete, depending on your dedication to learning the course. So after that, you can just learn some basic Microsoft Excel, Word, email to CRM software, and online scheduling system. So these are the basic tools you need for this particular course. Now go ahead and click on Start Learning. So you do it to log in so you can have access to the course. Once you're done learning this job, head over to FlexJobs, LinkedIn, or even Indeed and search for any of these positions: remote medical customer service representative, patient support specialist, healthcare customer support, medical call center agent. These are the basic jobs you should be looking out for. So the next job you can start doing from home is selling your professional pictures and videos online. Now, let me explain further. There is a website called shutterstock.com. Summit.shutterstock.com is a website. Click on Get Started to create a free account. Here you can do it to fill up all the necessary information here. After that, you click on Get Started. They will ask you to verify your email address. Head over to your inbox and click on the link sent to you just to verify your email address. Then once you are done with that, fill in your residential address and your mailing address. This doesn't take time. Just take your time and fill in every information required for this section. Click on Next and you will be redirected to where you will fill in your tax identification number. Please don't rush so that you won't make mistake. So once you are done, click on Review and sign in. Now, this is where you put in your e-signature. Just put in your full name, then you click on Submit. Now your account is ready. Just click on Continue so that you can start uploading pictures and videos. But just make sure you own any item you post on this platform. If not, they might flag it or you might not have access to earning. So once you are done uploading, you can go ahead and edit and put in all the descriptions of the picture or video. Make sure it's a high quality video or picture. Put in the description, then you post. So once you click on Submit, your item will be penned in, let me say, 2 to 3 days so that they can review your content. Then after that, they will publish it. Then you can start earning. Once anyone clicks or download your item, you can start earning. Like you can earn at least $2 to $5 per download. So that's basically how this platform works. I will advise you create good content so that your chances of earning will be high. So this is where we'll be wrapping up this video for today. In our next class, I will show you other tips how you can make money from home. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss out on our next video. Bye for now.